Hello friends, myself Dr. Gaurav Singh. Here we are discuss amino acid. It is an essential part of our genetic materials. Our genetic materials are ribonucleic acid and diribonucleic acid is called RNA or DNA. Here first we are some information of genetic code. What is a genetic code? Genetic code. The genetic code is the set of rules by which information encoded in genetic materials, DNA or RNA sequence, is translated into proteins, amino acid sequence by living cell. Here, amino acid is a group of three different types of groups. Like first, amino groups, NH2. Second, organic or groups or side chains is called alkyl groups, and third, acidic carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid, is represented by COOH. And amino acid is sort of alpha amino carboxylic acid. Each molecules contain a central carbon atoms called the alpha carbon, to which both of amino acid and a carboxylic group are attached. The remaining two bonds of the alpha carbon atoms are generally satisfied by a hydrogen atoms and the R group. The information of a general amino acid is C is represented by central carbon or called alpha carbon is attached with amino groups, carboxylic group, alkyl group and hydrogen. It is a basic structure of alpha amino acid. Here, classification of amino acid. It is classified into three types. First, non-essential, essential and conditionally essential. 20 amino acids are presented in human body like living organisms. There are 11 non-essential amino acids. What is a non-essential amino acid? An amino acid that can be made by human and no essential to the human diet is called non-essential amino acid. It is the first non-essential amino acid is alanine. There are 11 non-essential amino acids like tyrosine, glutamine, glutamic acid, arginine. It is a basic structure of non-essential amino acids. And second, glycine, proline, aspartic acid, serine, asparagine, cysteine. It is a not essential amino acid. Here we are discuss short tricks for the learning and remembering of 11 non-essential amino acids. ग्लू से ग्लू गल गया, टाइम पर साई अगर आली तो आसार बचने के होते. या अगेन रिपीटेड, ग्लू से ग्लू गल गया, टाइम पर साई अगर आली तो आसार बचने के होते. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक ग्लू ग्लूटामाइन से सेराइन, ग्लू ग्लूटामिक एसिड, गल ग्लाइसाइन, टाइम टायरोसाइन पर प्रोलाइन, साई सिस्टाइन, अगर एग्रानाइन, आली एलानाइन, आसार एस्प्राजाइन और aspartic acid. It is a short video of non-amino acid. So ये basically called non-essential amino acid. We are discuss essential amino acid and their structures in next video. Please like and subscribe my channels. Thank you.